Hello, guess who and guess what? It's me, Robbie Susan Chandler, independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator who lives in Quincy, Florida, right outside Tallahassee, Florida. If you live in the area, I'd love for you to come over sometime and join my in-person classes. I hold them on Sunday afternoons, Mondays at noon, and Thursdays at noon and 5 o'clock. So come on over and join us. But now let's look at the what. Look at this gorgeous card we're going to do today. This card actually is a case from Sherry's Cards by Sherry. And I'm not even going to try to pronounce her last name. Well, I will try, but it was Sherry Stukovich. And I really liked this card and I liked this paper that she used, so I decided I would just case this one. And I made a few tweaks, but not many. I'm getting my paper settled over here. There we go. Okay, and then here's the inside. I made this a birthday card. And I like it because this saying, the stamp set Nature Symphony has "to a great guy," and then I used this leaf, and you can barely see it right here in the background, but I'll show you another in a minute. But I've got "to a great guy" because we have trouble doing those masculine cards, so today we're doing a masculine card. So let's take a look at our pieces. Now our card base is basic beige, 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. So this is our card base. Now the designer series paper that we're putting on top is from the pack called Nature Walk, and it's in the new catalog. Let's see, it's called Nature Walk, and this is one of the pieces I used, and I used this one right here, and then it has a whole lot of other pieces, greens, and just a good variety. Let's see, it uses balmy blue and blueberry bushel and cloud cover. It's just a whole lot. Pretty peacock. So it's a good pack, especially if you want kind of the nature looks. So here's our card base. Now the first thing I did was I took this stamp out of Coneflower Celebration, these little dots right here, and I stamped them right down the side. And that's this look you see here. And then from the designer series paper, we've got this piece, and it's 3/4 inch by 5.5, and I just glued it down right next to where the dots were. Should have put some dots on this, but anyway, right next to where the dots were. Now next, I cut a piece, this little wood grain looking piece with this die that's also from Nature Symphony. In fact, the leaf is also from this one. But this is like a little woodwork piece, and I cut this, and then I cut it in half, and I adhered it right there so it was almost over to the side. And then this piece, this is 2 3/4 by 5.5. I added the dots that we were talking about that we put right here on the front. I added some down the side and the bottom. Now, I didn't tell you what colors I used, so let me go back for a minute. These dots are with pecan pie. The ones I'm talking about now, this piece down the side and here, are with Early Espresso. I needed something a little dark. And then the leaf that I stamped in the middle, and I'll show you on here, the leaf here was stamped with Pretty Peacock. I've got a piece of ribbon stuck to my arm. Okay. So these three pieces go down, and as you can see, I already have them adhered right here. And I really like this in the background. It gives a pretty look there. And then this gives you, a little bit more masculine look. Now inside I stamped with Pretty Peacock a big happy birthday that I had. And then that leaf that we used on the front, I stamped it again in here in Crumb Cake. I wanted a little bit lighter background there. So that's Crumb Cake. Now, this is the ribbon that I used, and it's actually called Trim, Irregular Weave Trim. And it could be a little bit of a booger to put down, but if you just put a few little strips, and this probably works the best. I'm just going to stick them there because we're going to put a leaf on top, and it's going to hold it down. So I just started here, and I went down a little ways, then came back up, and then came back down again, just like that. And see, that'll stay there long enough for me to, I'm going to bring that down a little bit more. Well, no, let's bring it up. That'll stay there long enough for me to get my my leaf here on top. Now this leaf is a little bit on the flimsy side. Probably should have pulled all these backings off. And this leaf is cut out of Lost Lagoon. Now this piece down here is pecan pie. So I love the color combinations together. Alright, about got it. Here we go. Alright, so I'm going to flip it over, and then we're just going to lay it across here. Kind of flatten that ribbon out some. Come like this, and here we go. Alright, there we go. Put this one over here. Alright, there's our leaf. And then I stamped "To a Great Guy" on a scrap piece of basic beige and punched it with this middle triple banner punch. Say that fast 3 times. Triple banner punch. And let's just put some dimensionals on this. And I'm going to hide this stem down here. I kind of don't like that, the end of that stem showing, so let's just put this right here. And on mine I did stamp a few little dots here on it if you want to do that. So there's our card. Isn't that pretty? Pretty quick, fast. And thank you, Sherry, for the idea. I'm always hunting masculine cards and always on the lookout for them. So please like my video, share it, subscribe to my channel. If you need a demonstrator, I'd love to be your demonstrator. If you'd like to be on the team, I'd love for you to be on my team. So until next time, happy crafting.